considered to be the safe limit of daily alcohol consumption by an adult man in the absence of contraindications and interacting drugs, that is 50 to 100 ml of whiskey. Which of the following motivating factors is the least important for the alcohol drinking habit? That is physical dependence on alcohol. Moderate amounts of alcohol produce the following effects except rise in body temperature, it produces flushing, tachycardia, diuresis. Consumption of alcohol beverages in moderate amounts can be allowed for the following category of subjects: patients with history of myocardial infarction. Safe limit of daily alcohol consumption is relatively lower for women than for men. The following drug is routinely used in free anesthetic medication for prolonged operations, that is ranitidine. The following is true about actions of ethyl alcohol. It exerts anticonvulsant action followed by lowering of seizure threshold. Effect of alcohol on sleep has the following features. It can disorganize sleep architecture. Patients treated with the following drug should be cautioned not to consume alcoholic beverages, that is metronidazole. Regular low to moderate alcohol consumption is associated with lower incidence of coronary artery disease. Select the anesthetic that increases cardiac output and blood pressure, that is ketamine. Intravenous fentanyl is used in balanced anesthesia to afford analgesia. Use of morphine in pre-anesthetic medication is restricted mostly to patients in pain pre-operatively. Use of glycopyrrolate in pre-anesthetic medication serves the following purposes except. So, it serves the purposes like it prevents respiratory secretions during anesthesia, guards against reflux vagal bradycardia during surgery, and reduces the probability of occurrence of laryngospasm, except produces amnesia for perioperative events. Residual CNS depression is least marked after the use of following anesthetic, that is propofol. The anesthetic action of thiopentane sodium is characterized by poor analgesia. Induction of anesthesia with propofol is often attended by transient apnoea, short lasting fall in blood pressure, pain in the injected vein. Dissociative anesthesia is produced by ketamine. Ketamine is the preferred anesthetic for the following except. So ketamine is preferred anesthetic in burn dressing, trauma cases who have bled significantly, but not in hypertensives. Select the general anesthetic that is particularly suitable for outpatient surgery because of quick recovery and short-lived post-anesthetic psychomotor impairment, that is desflurane. The following is true of sevoflurane except. So, true is about sevoflurane, it induces anesthesia rapidly, it is non-pungent. And the wrong is, it produces prolonged post-anesthetic psychomotor impairment. Select the general anesthetic having the most marked uterine relaxant action, that is halothane. Malignant hyperthermia is a rare complication of use of the following anesthetic, that is halothane. The drug used mainly for induction of general anesthesia is thiopentane sodium. Ether is still used as general anesthetic in India, especially in peripheral hospitals because it is cheap and can be administered without anesthetic machine. As a general anesthetic, halothane has the following advantages except. So, halothane has the advantage that it is non-inflammable and non-explosive, but it is not very good analgesic action. It doesn't show any analgesic action. The following general anesthetic has poor muscle relaxant action, that is nitrous oxide. Select the correct statement about nitrous oxide, that it is primarily used as a carrier and adjuvant to other anesthetics. The general anesthetic having significant cardiodepressant property is halothane. Select the inhalational general anesthetic which is metabolized in the body to a significant extent, that is halothane. The following anesthetic can be used by the open drop method, that is ether. The minimal alveolar concentration of halothane is it's 0.75%. Second gas effect is exerted by the following gas when co-administered with halothane, that is nitrous oxide. Which general anesthetic selectively inhibits excitatory NMDA receptors, that is ketamine. If a patient being anesthetized with ether is unconscious, has regular respiration, blood pressure and heart rate are normal, corneal reflex is present and eyeballs are roving, the patient will be in stage 3rd and plain 1st of anesthesia. No surgical operation should be performed during the following stage of anesthesia, that is stage 2nd. Which of the following is a sign of deep anesthesia? Fall in blood pressure. The following factor delays induction with an inhaled general anesthetic, that is alveolar perfusion, ventilation mismatch. The primary mechanism by which general anesthetics produce their action is affecting receptor operated ion channels in cerebral neurons. The minimal alveolar concentration of an inhalational anesthetic is a measure of its, that is MAC, minimal alveolar concentration, is measure of its potency. General anesthetics produce immobility in response to painful surgical stimuli by acting primarily at the, so general anesthetics acts at spinal cord.